Beautiful. Your color is perfect. Mm. Yeah. Your color is perfect. And you're healthy. Look. Your eyes, lo. Your eyes, beautiful. Emerald. Oh, you're so sweet. I will call you. How can I call you? Now is Friday. You're huggable. Come. There's a food here. Come. You're a girl? You're a girl. Free tipper. Free tipper. Friday. Oh. Nahulog ka. Be careful. Mas matataba ang pusa dito sa Asdod. Marami itong pagkain sa Asdod. See? May sigarilyo yung iyong yung tanggalin natin yung sigarilyo. Yung the cigarette there. Oh, good. Free today ang papangalan ko sa'yo. Free day. Friday ngayon eh. Free today. Enjoy eating. Ang ganda mo. Mag-picture tayong dalawa. Video tayo. Video tayo, video. Oh. Bait-bait. Bait-bait mo You're so kind. Kasi yung balahibo mo. You're so sweet. I will go. Baka mag-rocket alert na eh. Saan ka tatago pag nag-rocket alert? Diba? Kaya mo. Hawak mo ang beat. Hawak mo ang beat. Alis na ako. I will go. Maybe there's a rocket alert later. Bye, pretty. Free day. Next time, I will buy cat food. Pag nag-meet tayo dito. Marami itong pusang black. Ganda mo. Lusog-lusog mo pa. Bye. Tuwa siya. Yung buntot niya sumasayaw. Kaya mo ang beat. Kaya mo ang beat. Ay, nagpapahilot. Aalis na ako. Baka mag-rocket alert eh. Aalis na ako. Tama ng ating hilutan. Next time uli, ang cute kitang balahibo mo dyan. Oh. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Taba-taba mo. You're so fat and cute. Bye-bye, Black. Black, bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you again. I will go. Do not follow me. You follow me? First time I meet you, you send me in the road. Do not go there. I will walk. Huh? Do not go with me. Bye-bye.